What's up, y'all? Changing smoke batteries. Smoke detectors keep beeping, and they have new batteries, so I'm gonna try to reset it. I looked online, and they said to unhook them, take the battery out. So I had to do these. There's 4 of them. And then hold the battery. So I'm gonna do that to all 4 of them. Let's see if that helps. Okay, so it's not that one. So I'm gonna do that to all 4 of them, and I'll let y'all know what happens. So, come to the conclusion that don't work. So, see. But why is it's blinking green? It's got a new battery. It's a new fucking apartment. That's what I hate about these. It's like, oh, I fixed it. And waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. So yeah, I think I got it. Okay, I got it. Yeah, it's fixed. Oh yeah, I got it now. Definitely. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, right. So, I'm just gonna replace them. I got some new ones over there. Just replace them. Those are battery battery. These are powered and battery. So, turn the breaker off. Took the battery out. Nothing. So, that didn't work.